Hello, hello, hello. If you are listening, then you missed day one of week 22, or wait, 21. So this is our last week together, I'm sorry to say. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's in store. We are wrapping up. Our final assignment is assignment 33, the Shark Tank project. It's due Wednesday the 27th. Wednesday the 27th is also the last day I'm accepting any late work from earlier in the semester. Please make sure you turn that stuff into me if you would like to increase your standing in the class. If you would like to get some extra help, I am available Tuesday and Wednesday after school from 2:30 until 4 p.m. in my office hours link. And there's an assignment on my MCPS. We can see it here in our homepage, letting you know that as well. So please consider taking advantage of that if you need that. Now, the actual lesson today is very straightforward. We just finished up our presentations for the Shark Tank project. You should be finishing yours up as well. Make sure you submit it here. You click the assignment, hit the blue button at the top right, submit assignment, and then you can either upload your slides or you can go to this text entry and type in your link. Now, please make sure, let's say for the sake of argument that this is my presentation. Do not copy this link. That will not work. You need to hit share, get a link, make sure anyone with the link can view it, copy the link, and put the link in here. If you just copy what's at the top of your page, I will not have access to it. Google protects your privacy, but not letting people access your slides unless you specifically press that share button. So please make sure you do that, and then you hit the submit assignment button here. If you don't do those things, I do not guarantee that you will get a grade, so please make sure you do them. Lastly, we are going to do this next class, but I figured I'd mention it in the video. There's a teamwork feedback form right here. I am going to need you guys to fill this out. Please be honest. This is not graded, but it will influence your grade on the Shark Tank project. If somebody in your group did nothing, I need to know. If someone in your group did everything, I need to know as well. So please just answer these 4 short questions and we'll be all set. With that, that's all I have to say. If you have any issues or concerns with the end of the semester coming up, please don't hesitate to email me. I'm here for you. And thank you guys very much for being in my classes. I enjoyed having all of you, and I hope to meet you in the future once we return to regular school instruction. Have a good rest of your day, and have a wonderful second semester, and I'm looking forward to seeing some of you back.